Hello, my name is Moya Carey and I'm the Curator of the Islamic Collections at the Chester Beatty. I'm looking at a book format that was treasured across West Asia, and that is the album, or muraca in Persian. These artworks are all pages from different albums. They are from 17th century Iran and were made in the prosperous city of Isfahan. At this time, Isfahan was Iran's capital, ruled by the Shahs of the Safavid dynasty. Each one with different layouts, these composite pages bring us into Isfahan and show us anonymous single portraits of the city's people. Albums presented a creative mix of artworks, and every page was designed to capture the viewer's attention. At the centre is a painting of a woman, and we have layered stacks of fine calligraphy placed all around her. These elements are all mounted inside a blue and gold border. The decorative border has been trimmed down at some point, and you can see that it would have been a bigger page originally by looking at the gold and light blue designs around the edges. The album page focuses on this wonderful painting of a woman. She's kneeling, she's lifting up her hands as if in private prayer. She's wearing these decorated purple trousers, she has a bright yellow sash, and she wears fine jewellery at her wrists, neck and even her toes. We don't know why she's only half dressed, but we do have many examples in Safavid painting of nudity or semi-nudity, so that in itself isn't exceptional. Surrounding this image, we have layers and layers of poetry.
راه حج و عمره بسی رفته ام بهر تو نی به هر کسی رفته ام که را سوخت عشقت که جانم نسوخت مرا سوختی هر که را سوختی.
And this is where we see that an album page is actually an organisation of different elements staged together in a deliberate relationship. This rich collage of various quotations centred around one image feels full of potential meaning, and that is the creative possibility of all album page compositions. The viewer is invited to enjoy the visual mix and then to make their own interpretation.